Yo, Alicia.
What's up, Candy?
Man, these Jane Does be killing me thinking they slick with it.
For real.
Drop the beat.
Alicia Keys, Candy, Collabo.
Let's talk about the situation, about how you came with information that's negative in every which way, just dissing my man in our relations. You say he's cheating, want me to leave him. I changed my mind, I think I'll keep him. Listening to you will leave me lonely, that's not what I'm trying to be. I'll be crazy to let my man go, and let some other Jane Doe come and try to steal him. Oh no, she's crazy to let my man go, and let some other Jane Doe come and try to steal him. Oh no. See, I caught you trying to check my man out. How about just playing what that's all about? Think you slick like I wouldn't know, but I got something for you. Go mess around, end up in a chokehold.